Settlement ILR in 2026, what you need to know. Indefinite Leave to Remain, or ILR, lets you live and work in the UK permanently without extending your visa. It is also the usual step before British citizenship. In this video, we will explain the main ILR routes, the key requirements, and what is actually changing in 2026. The main ILR routes. There is not just one ILR route. Most skilled worker and family visa holders qualify after 5 years. Innovator, founder, and global talent visa holders may qualify after 3 years. Some people can qualify after 10 years under the long residence route. The route you qualify for depends on your immigration history and visa category. The key requirements. One of the biggest reasons ILR applications are refused is the 180-day absence rule. On most routes, you cannot spend more than 180 days outside the UK in any rolling 12-month period. Remember, it is a rolling calculation, not a calendar year. You will also need to pass the Life in the UK test, meet the current B1 English language requirement, satisfy the suitability requirements, including a compliant immigration history. What is changing in 2026? There is a lot of confusion online, so here is the current position. The confirmed change is that the English language requirement will increase from B1 to B2 on 26 March 2027. The proposed change is the government's earned settlement model with a 10-year baseline for most routes. However, this proposal is not law yet, and the current 3-year, 5-year and 10-year ILR routes still apply today. Should you apply now? If you are close to completing your 5-year qualifying period, applying under the current rules may be the better option, as transitional arrangements have not yet been confirmed. How Conroy Baker can help. At Conroy Baker, we review your immigration history, check your absences and supporting evidence, and help ensure your application is prepared correctly before submission. You can also check your eligibility using our free ILR calculator linked below, or book a consultation with our IAA regulated advisors. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.